Hi, this is Gavin from On Spot Repair. I'm here looking at whenever that customer call in and when they say that their auger is not turning, I want to show you some tip on how and what are some of the common reason. So let's dive right into it and let's get this thing started, okay? So before you start your machine and using it, you have to inspect the inside of the impeller. So in here, as you can tell, there is a patch of ice in here, and that was left over since the last time the machine was parked, okay? So in order for a belt to rotate, it has to be no obstruction. So if there is a big pile of ice there, you need to clear that out, okay? The easiest way is just take it inside your garage and then put a little heater in front of it, and then in about half hour to an hour, and then it will defrost itself, and then you could continue using it, okay? So that's one. And then the next thing is, whenever the auger is not engaging, most likely is the belt. So what you want to do is that this is the handlebar to engage it. When you engage it, you could also use your hand to pull on it and see how much room you would have, okay? If there's not a lot, that means that the tensioner is adjusted and the belt is still in place. But if you let go of it and this is staying down, that means the linkage and the return cable could be broken already inside the machine. So it basically let us know, and then we'll send out the service call to have it replaced for you, okay? And beside that, same thing, when during cleaning the snow, if you find your snow blower is not throwing as good as before, it could be the belt is a little worn. So what you need to do, you go hold the handle down and then pull on it, okay, to increase the tension. And once it increase the tension inside, and see if the auger and the impeller will throw a little bit better, okay? That just to confirm that if the belt is worn or not, okay? So thank you, and I hope this will help you to troubleshoot your auger issue. Thank you.